Oh, hello.
Honey, I hope you have enough gloves. I only got 2 pairs left.
So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got about 6 pairs left.
Oh, okay, yeah, we're good.
Ah,
Right,
there
I'm ready.
should be plenty. Oh, ready. Давай, let's do this.
Welcome, dear convicts. This is Killbox, a place where we make your dreams become nightmares. I hope you don't die too early and spoil our family telly time. Rules are simple. You have 15 minutes to acquire as much goodies as you can. One wrong step though, and you better start running. It's a kill box, not a gift box. I see that there are a few of you here. We wouldn't want that to get boring, right, audience? So let's make it more fun, shall we?
I think we have some friends waiting for us outside.
The Kill Box is brought to you by the TEC1 Corporation. It's getting a bit boring. Here, have a bit of entertainment.
With my kitchen knife.
Empty.
Very nice, well done.
I think we're all done.
Alright, 3,
30 seconds left.
A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a...
At this point, you can either get out or become part of the decor. Our lasers tend to do that.
Oh, probably some local.
I think we might have some friends. Ooh, I'm excited.
10 seconds mark.
Honey, did you see the...
5, 4, 3,
Look in the back.
2, 1.
Oh, he's in it.
He's ignoring me.
Oh, M1. You do not want this?
He's been using the M1s. I thought he'd be excited, but he seems so lukewarm about it.
I put something else in the back.
So nonchalant about it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm curious about these friends. Where are you?
Alright, I feel like that supply drop's gonna be too far away, so we may as well just keep going.
Alrighty then.
I don't make mistakes.
I put one right up his asshole.
Previously, we had done a total of 5 in one day, and now we've officially done 6.
Oh, new record made, you know. Six in one go is a pretty big challenge there.
Ah, I was able to be a part of 4 of them. Yo, we're doing all 6. Definitely, I believe, yes, new record for sure. I do not think we have done 6 before.
Nope, no, that's a whole day adventure for getting all those kill boxes done. You know, it takes longer to travel to the bunker than it does to actually do the kill box.
Oh, good fun. We should. I believe we were planning cookout party sometime.
Oh yeah, we should do that. Sounds great.
Yeah, we can have it over by the lake there. You know, I got that little cooking area just off the side of the lake there. It's got some places to sit, and eat, and it's even right beside the lake, so you can go fishing if you felt like it.
Do you think we try to get invite everybody for next week cookout? Everybody has week for preparation.
And if for whatever reason the weather's bad, they can come inside. We got a decent kitchen, but we do need to fix those chair legs. People can't really sit in
them. A couple of chairs there. We gotta fix a few of the couches there. It's kind of hard to sit on some of the couches now.
Well, all right. Well, we put out announcement, invite invitation for everybody for joining at the pond. Well, I guess I better be driving my way back. It was a good time, for sure. Good time.
Oh yeah, you got the further distance to go there. Hopefully it's a nice easy drive for you. You don't have too many of those crazy pumpkins chasing after you. It must be a hologram.
Oh, you dropped your clip.
Alright, I will be on my way back for driving. You be careful out there, you two. We'll be discussing over the BCU messages for when we can have this get together.
Oh, that sounds good to me. Try not to hit any trees now driving out of here.
Oh, of course I will. You know I will. Oh, you two, V and Canuck. Onward.